to me, Bob.
We are 12 seconds late on target. We gotta move, we gotta move!
Copy. Try to stay with me.
Huh? Wait, who's that?
Blue team, you've been spotted.
Shit, it's Maverick.
What the hell is he doing here?
I'm a bandit on course to intercept. Blue team, what are you gonna do?
He's 20 miles left, 10 o'clock, 700 knots closure.
Your call. What do you want to do?
Continue. We're close. Stay on target.
He's swinging around to the north.
Stand by for pop-up.
Be ready on that laser, Bob.
Copy, I'm on it.
Blue team, bandit is still closing.
Popping now!
Talk to me, Bob! Where's Maverick? He's 5 miles out, he's coming fast!
Target's in sight.
Where's my laser, Bob? Did I? It's no good. Sorry, I can't get it locked.
We're out of time. I'm dropping blind.
Damn it, missed!
That's Tone.
Maverick's got missile lock on us.
Shit, we're dead.
Blue team, that's a fail. Level out, Coyote. Coyote, copy. Coyote, come in. Coyote, level wings. Oh my god, he's in G-Lock.
Coyote! Coyote!
He's gonna burn in.
I'm going after him. Come on, give me Tone, give me Tone, give me Tone. Snap out of it, Coyote.
Come on! Come on!
Come on, Coyote, come on. Come on!
Coyote! 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 Coyote!
Coyote, you okay? You okay?
I'm okay. I'm good.
Good, good. That's enough for today.
That was close.
Too close. Bird strike! Bird strike!
Bird strike!
Phoenix, left engine's on fire!
Climbing! Throttling back. Shutting off fuel to left engine. Extinguishing fire.
Right engine is out!
It's still spinning. Try to restart it.
Phoenix, it's on fire! Don't stop!
Throttling up.
Oh my god.
We're on fire! We're on fire!
Damn it!
Engine fire right.
Extinguishing right engine.
Phoenix, Bob, punch out! Punch out!
Warning lights everywhere! Hydraulic failure!
Flight control.
I can't control it.
We're going down, Phoenix! We're going in! We're going in!
You can't save it! Eject! Eject!
Eject, eject, eject.
Altitude. Altitude.